Hi, welcome to this lesson on how to play your first drum fill. Looks like you completed the previous lesson on how to play your first drum beat. So, what is a drum fill? A drum fill is a rhythmic passage used to fill in and out of a particular section in a song or composition. It is also used to indicate that a change of feel is coming, especially when you're moving from a verse to a chorus or a chorus out back to the verse. A drum fill can be as simple as a couple of hits on the tom-toms or rapid bursts of notes around the drums, or it can be nothing at all. They usually range from one beat or more. Going back to your first drum beat, we used the number system to guide us around the drums on how to play that beat. We're going to use that same system to guide us to play our first drum fill. In this example, we're going to use this number system to guide us to hit one drum each. Remember to use whichever leading hand you're comfortable with. It should sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's simple, right? So let's take it up a notch. Let's play your first drum beat followed by your first drum fill. All you gotta do is follow that number system. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's your first drum fill. Let's add in a little bit of boom factor to it. So on every one, let's hit the crash. So this will signify you finishing the fill or opening the fill with a crash on the one. It should sound something like this. Now that you have gotten this down, what I'm going to share with you is just a different variation or second variation drum fill which you can use. And this is so easy. All you have to do is just hit two drums of your choice. It's up to you whichever drum you want. You want this two drums, you want this two drums, or you want this two drums. Or this two drums. It's totally up to you. And we put it in the same place. Your drum beat, this drum fill, and that crash. Remember that number system. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it sounds something like this. So there you have it. You have two variation drum fills which you can play around with. Drum fill number 1, one drum each. Drum fill number 2, two drums of your choice. For your next task, do practice your beats and do practice your fills on different tempos. I'll catch you in the next lessons.